Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just want to introduce you to some of our cute new little neighbours in a neighbouring farm, and I just think they're so gorgeous I have to share them with you. And I'll have more little pictures of them at the end of the video. So last Friday we had some fried cod with garlic fried potatoes and some veg and fried tomatoes and a little bit of coleslaw, and it was delicious. Then Saturday morning, we had a poached egg on toast with some rashers and fried tomatoes. Saturday evening, we had these lamb Gidget chops with steak seasoning and sea salt, seasoned with steak seasoning and sea salt and fried, and they were absolutely delicious. And we had these with some garlic butter sauce, which we made in the same pan that the meat was fried in, just to get all the flavours, and with some chips as well. So it was a simple but delicious Saturday evening dinner. And there was the fried potatoes, or fried veg as well with it. This was a cottage pie, which we had on Monday. And cottage pie is with beef mince. Shepherd's pie is with lamb mince, so this was beef mince, so it was cottage pie. Then Tuesday was a delicious dinner. It was my birthday dinner. So my husband cooked up some scallops. We had the garlic fried potatoes, which we all love. And so we had scallops on a piece of black pudding. And it was just absolutely yummy. We had some prawns as well and rashers. So there's my birthday dinner, and it was just so yummy. It was one of those dinners that you just don't want the taste to end. So thank you to my lovely husband for cooking for me. Wednesday I must have forgotten to record. I can't remember what we had. But this was Thursday. We had enchiladas, chicken enchiladas for Thursday dinner. We hadn't had them in a long while, and they were absolutely delicious and devoured by all, and everyone requesting to have them again very soon. So there they are, served up with some salad and some coleslaw. Another simple but absolutely delicious dinner. And then today we had our homemade, deep fried, battered, it was hake. The hake was on offer. I made homemade onion rings, and some chips and some fried mushrooms. And here are my little friends again, and I'll just leave you with these. I won't even talk over it. You can just watch the little cutie pies. So thank you all for joining me. A massive welcome again to any new subscribers, and to my old subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking with me and for watching my videos. God bless you all. I hope you have a blessed weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can